Hi, Farmer Dean here, and I just picked these zucchini out of my garden, and I'm always looking for different ways to use zucchini because guess what? We get a lot of zucchini. So this is called zucchini fritters, and what you do is you use the big spot and you just shred like this. So that's what it's going to look like when you're done. And then you put it in a colander for about 10 minutes with salt so that you drain out all of the moisture. But we're still going to do one more step in this. So I'm going to rinse off the salt. Look at it. Dump one beaten egg in here. Okay. Quarter cup of flour. Pinch of salt or two. Some pepper. Gonna mix that all up. These, make them into a little, just a small little patty, about the size of my hand. Put those on there. I've got this preheated. This is kind of what we want them to look like. We want them brown, but yet we don't want them too burnt, okay? What they look like. OMGs, that's good.